Right, we're back again. See how we're doing cutting down this energy usage. So this was started once again at 8 PM on the 13th of the 4th, and it is now the 18th of the 4th. Got the price right this time, so the cost's correct. So far we've used £3.70. The wattage has gone up a little bit. That's because I've had to add a fan to some of the electronics in the greenhouse just to keep it cool, because I installed it and I wasn't sure. I installed it in the winter and I wasn't sure. Well, I installed a new circuit in the winter and I wasn't sure if it was going to keep cool or not during the summer months. Now it's starting to get hot. It's getting a bit too hot, so a little fan's drawing a bit more watts. Let's cycle through. 8.233 kilowatt hours used over that period. 50 hertz, 251 volts, that's never going to change. Pull in 0.556 amps, low wattage of 2.3 and a highest of 92.8. Now I will do a little bit of a jump cut, and they're the last sums, so let's do some more sums and see if we've managed to reduce it. Right, calculations done. So it was 8.234 kilowatt hours over 118.27 hours, otherwise known as 4.93 days. So that equals out as a cost of £3.70 per day over that period, and that divides down into a cost of 75 pence per day. So with that timer added, we've gone down from 88 pence to 75, which has dropped the cost per year down to £273.93, which is a saving of £48. For the period that I run it from March to November, that takes it down to £203, so that's a £30 saving. But there's still more to be had, because this is with just the timer added to the actual pump that runs the hydroponics. Now if we go up to the greenhouse and we'll add another timer, and this time we'll put it onto the transformer, which switches mains voltage to 24 volts. It runs all the foggers in my salad pots. So let's go and do that. So this is the one that chews up the most power. Now that's the transformer that runs the foggers in these lettuce hydroponic pots. Now we've obviously got one timer, which is this one down here, which runs the pump, so that's off. What time's between 9 PM and 8 AM? It's completely off, and then it turns on for every 15 minutes for 15 minutes. Now with the foggers, I've put them as off between 10 PM and 6 AM. At 6 AM it's coming on for half an hour, and then it goes on for 15 minutes once an hour. The reason I've done that is in the morning I'm hoping that the mist will obviously just moisten up the plugs that these are growing in while the sun's not out, and then obviously 15 minutes burst each day should just keep the main root ball moist. Now I may experiment by turning one of them off, because with these now, if we have a bit of a show and tell, this one's easier to get off. You can see the roots are long enough that you can see they're touching there, and it's a good way off. So they're long enough now, the roots, that they might not necessarily need the mister running to keep them going. So anyway, let's go back to the garage and get the system reset. Right, now that's added, let's just reset this. So we need to set it to 45, reset, and cost, function, is it hold cost maybe? There we are, function, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cost. There we go. So let's go and leave this for a bit. Write the new date on the top. we are 18.27 on the 18th. So 18th, the 4th, 18.27. Right, come back in a few days and we'll see how we've done.